The CatRentalStore.com Customer Spend Dashboard puts you in control of your rental spend. Track your expenses, access invoices, and analyze trends, all in one convenient dashboard. Customize your view to focus on what's most important to you. You can apply filters to focus on specific dates. See your spending over time, and even filter by job site, account, dealer, charge name, or PO number for more detailed insights. Compare month-to-month rental spend with a straightforward monthly spend chart. Data from the dashboard can be easily exported to meet your business needs. Simply choose Export Data, and you'll find a downloadable report in your Accounts page. Achieve better understanding of your rental spend and make informed decisions for your business with the CatRentalStore.com Customer Spend Dashboard. Access the dashboard by logging in to the CatRentalStore.com customer portal and navigate to the dashboard button. If you need help, check out the Resources tab for tutorials to help you get started. For more information, visit CatRentalStore.com. And don't forget, the Cat Rental Store customer portal is also available as a mobile app. Download today to find, rent, and manage your equipment rentals from your mobile device.